Hi everyone, this is Lupe from Loteria Studio, and today we are going to create your own Loteria. Play, learn, and have fun by making your own game and easily shuffle the cards by using our Loteria Caller. In this video, I will show you how to make a Loteria game and go over the functions of the free trial. To access the free trial, you will need to create an account on the website loteriastudio.com. Enter an email and click on Free Trial. Before we start, I want you to keep in mind that in the free trial, you can't save your project. You will need to create your game all in one go and then download. I suggest you already have a list of words typed and your images downloaded on your computer. The editor will default to a rectangle card shape for a Loteria look, but you can change it to a square for a bingo look by clicking Format, Card Shape, and then selecting Square, but I'm going to keep it as a rectangle. On the left of the ribbon, there's a button where you can switch between this card editor and the board editor. On the ribbon, you can add text, edit the font, and edit the images. Finally, on the right is my favorite button where you can toggle the view and functions on this right panel. Now let's make a Loteria set. First, we're going to upload the images. Switch the panel view to images and then click on Upload Images to add pictures to the panel. To add images into your deck of cards, click on this square to select all the images on the panel. Select the first card on the deck and hit Replace. If you check the box on one or more images and click Append, it will add those cards at the bottom of the deck. You can also click and drag an image into a card, duplicate a card, add a card, and delete a card. If you switch the panel view to Create from Words, a word list will appear. This is a great tool if you find it easier to first add the words to the deck and then add the images. All you have to do is copy, paste, and type your list of words and hit Replace. Then you click and drag the image into the card. However, if you already have the images on the card like this, it is easier to just type the word into the box. Once all the images and words are on the card, then you can make changes. To edit the text on the cards together, make sure to click on the three dots and select all cards. Then you can make changes to the font and even the placement of the text up, down, left, right, or centered. If you only click on one card, it will only edit that card. Some ways to edit the image is by click and dragging it around the card. Make it smaller or larger, turn it around, recenter it, or trash it. Switch your panel view to Themes and select your desired background colors and click on Apply to Project. You can also edit the background color and transparency for each of the cards. Once happy with how your playing cards look, you can switch to the next step, the board editor. On the ribbon, you can add the title for your board, make changes to the font, and change the placement of your title. You can also select a background color for your board. Under Format, you can change the grid size to 3x3, 4x4, or 5x5. If you select a square shape, you have the option to add a bingo header and change the letters. Bingo header options are also in the ribbon. All done, it is time to generate your set. The free trial allows you to only download 2 times and has a limit of 3 bingo or Loteria boards per download. You have the choice of 1 or 2 boards per page and edit the grid size. Make sure this box is selected to include the calling cards in your PDF file. Finally, click on Download to generate your own game. Don't forget, you can also use our Loteria Caller to shuffle your game online. You now know the basic features of Loteria Studio, so go ahead and try it out and create your own card sets.